Hello guys, I hope you guys are doing great. So today we are going to discuss about the Comet Browser by Perplexity. So we will discuss about how it helps you in your daily life, what else you can do with the browser and all. So what you can find and what you can do. There are a lot of things we will discuss about this Comet Browser or AI browser. Okay, so before we proceed, I would like to inform you guys. Don't look at my communication skills or my presentation skills. Just focus on the subject what I'm going to teach you here. That's it, guys. So we will now directly jump into the comment browser. So this is the comment browser. This is how it looks, and it has an assistant for you and all. It's literally like an agent working for you 24 by 7. You can ask any questions. So now let's just start. So now I will discuss about a few things we will talk about competition. I mean, if you are in the industry of any product, you can be in the software industry or you can be a hardware industry or electronic industry or any other product or any industry you are in. So we will find out how you can find out who are my competition and who are my competitors in the market. So now let's jump in. We'll ask the Comet browser. We will take out the one example of home automation industry. We will see there are how many competitions there are, how many companies are there in the industry. So let's say you are in the home automation product, and if you are a you can be CEO, you can be a startup, or you can be a executive working for any other company. These AI tools will help you make your life very easy and find out your competitors and all. So now let's jump in. We'll ask about the home automation industries in India. So we'll ask the browser. You list home automation companies in address revenue. Just hit the enter button. So now Comet browser has started its work. So let's see how it gives the output. So you can see I just taken out one example of home automation industry. There are companies like Schindler Electric. It has given me a website and address, location, and all. Revenue is not mentioned. There's one more company like Grandad. It's based out of Mumbai, Tata Power, and all. So these are competition in the home automation industry. You are selling in home automation products. You can at the one click of a button, you can get all the information which are required for you, so that you can present your product in the market, and you can strategize your position in the market, to competition these companies. So before this AI browsers and all, before when there was a Google or maybe any other browser, how you used to search is like, if you search any company or any product, you have to go in all the links. For example, let's say take this same example, home automation industry. Previously, before this AI browser, if you are searching for who are my competitors in the home industry, home automation industry, so you have to go into the every detailed link of every uh, company which Google or any other browser gives in the list. So you have to copy in one by one in your Google Sheet or Excel sheet. Now with the help of these AI browsers, you can, with a click of a button, you can get all the information here. That's this is how it gives me here home automation competitors. So you can directly copy in your Google Sheet or Excel sheet and all, and then you can position your market. Or if you are selling any product directly to these companies, you can take out their information and you can propose your product to these companies also. So how you can do this email automation and all, that I'll also show you in the coming up videos, how you can automate these emails to these companies. So this is one example. We'll take out one more example. about education technology company. If you are in the education technology and you want to see who are my competitors in the market, or how many companies are there in the education technology field, we will also look at that. And this is the one, and there is one more best part the Comet browser has given you guys is that there is an assistance button here. You click here, so you can ask any question here, and it gives you the result. It's like literally, guys, someone is sitting there and helping you. It's like agent working for you. So now we'll ask one more question to this Comet browser. Is the tech in India with and also the addition their address and value in a table format. This has started working on. Okay, here is the result. So there are a lot of companies. It gives you top companies who are selling the digital signage products in India. Vyoma Technology is there. It is based out of Bangalore. Revenue is not there. Valuation is not mentioned. But at least you will have an understanding who are your competition, and how you can also gather information how they are positioning their product in the market. And the website is there, you can click on, and you can see on their website how many screens they are they have been installed in the market, and how much revenue they are generating. But because some companies don't show up the revenue and all, because of that it is not listed here how much revenue they are making. But at least you will have an understanding how they are making, how they are selling their product and all. So you can be go into the one by one the website and all. So this is the guys the the browsers and all, how uh, effective these browsers are, and how these browsers help you in your daily life. So it doesn't matter if you are a startup, or if you are a starting a new company, or if you are a founder, or if you are working for any company. This is how you can analyze your business, and this is how you can see your competition, and based on these you can plan your strategies, and position your product in the market. So that's it, guys. This was my basic overview. I just wanted to share with you guys how you can search the AI browser. This is just a search for a competition market. So there are a lot of things you can search irrespective of whichever field you are in. So there are a lot of things you can do with the AI browsers. So guys, so maybe in coming videos I will show you more insight about AI browsers and all, how you can do a lot of things. There are many things how you can do. And the best part of these AI browsers is as I said, these guys are literally working as an agent for you. So this is one example I give. It can do a lot of things, if you want to do a shopping, you can ask the AI browser just place me an order for any product. It searches the website, or if you are asking for an Amazon, or if you are asking for a Flipkart, it goes into the website of Amazon and Flipkart. It places an order for you. So you don't have to do anything manually go into the website or app and select the product manually. And the thing you have to do, just ask the AI browser. If you have a particular product in mind, just ask it and buy a product for me. That's it, guys. It buys a product for you, and everything is done. So that's it, guys. And please, I would need your support. Please subscribe to my channel and all. So I'll be making more videos uh, in coming days. So I'll also show you how you can automate your emails, and everything I'll show you. Thank you, guys. That's it. Have a great day.